where are we now on the NASDAQ? Really, you can see going back 3 months, we're pretty close to in value at 43.28. Really, value goes 4,400 down to, I would say, really where this line is, 42.70. If we don't break outside of this range, which is a 120-point range, which if I pull in a little tighter on this next chart here on the hourly chart, you see this pretty clearly. 4,400, 42.80, 42.75. We've been locked in this now for most of the month, and no edge direction-wise. It's definitely a trader's market, and one where, as we get to the top, today we hit 42.80 again. We usually 43.80. So that until we close outside of this range, 4,400, 42.75, I would say keep playing that. But once we start closing outside of it, the next mirrored move, or 120 points or so, will come in the direction of the break if we hold the break. Now, if we close outside of it for a day, come back in the next day, it's probably off again. And this is kind of how I'm looking at this market. So you have contingent plans until the market behaves outside of this market. You are in the middle of this, and until it starts moving, it really doesn't matter. So the value is somewhere around 43.26, pretty much across time frames here. So we may need to come back and test this low again. Again, we sold that move to 43.80 this morning, planning to sell all the way up to 44.10. That's really the way that we've got this day set up here on Monday, and that's it. So we'll be back, and again, market's pretty quiet today, tight range, not a lot of movement.